New questions raised about Derek Chauvin case after Nov 2025 petition. According to a new petition filed on Nov 2025, former Minneapolis officer Derek Chauvin is once again challenging the 2021 murder conviction. Connected to the death of George Floyd on May 25, 2020, the filing submitted to Hennepin County District Court was first reported by Tyler Durden of Zero Hedge. It includes sworn statements from more than 50 past and present Minneapolis Police Department officers who claim the restraint technique used on Floyd was part of their official MPD training. According to attorney Greg Joseph, who represents Chauvin, the case centers on two major questions: whether Chauvin followed the department's approved procedures and whether the restraint itself actually caused Floyd's death. Joseph allegedly argued that the evidence for intent and causation was thin, but the prosecution still secured a conviction during the intense national climate of 2020. The petition claims that MPD leaders denied during the 2021 trial that the specific knee-to-shoulder blade restraint was part of their training. According to the sworn declarations included in the new filing, officers insist that the technique had been taught for years and was commonly used during prone restraint situations. Joseph argues that if Chauvin used an approved method, he should not be held responsible for any health consequences that the technique may have triggered. The filing also highlights disagreements between expert witnesses and the official autopsy conducted by Hennepin County Medical Examiner, Dr. Andrew Baker. According to Baker, Floyd had significant heart disease and a high level of fentanyl in his system, factors that he said complicated the arrest. The autopsy documented no fractures or trauma to Floyd's neck structures, no crushed windpipe, and no injuries that clearly indicated homicide. Baker stated at trial that he had certified similar deaths as cardiovascular events in other cases. According to the petition, the jury may have been influenced by emotional testimony, public pressure, and what the defense now calls misleading statements from high-ranking MPD officials. The filing alleges that key witnesses testified in ways that downplayed or denied MPD training practices, creating what the defense now frames as an unfair trial environment. Chauvin is seeking to have his conviction vacated or to receive a new trial, arguing that he was denied due process under both the United States Constitution and the Minnesota Constitution. Whether the court will grant the request will likely be decided in the coming months, and the case continues to draw national attention more than 4 years after the original verdict. Disclaimer: this rewritten story is based on reporting from Tyler Durden of Zero Hedge and publicly available information. New questions raised about Derek Chauvin.